Hello and welcome back to Creative Vibes. And today we're going to go over the knit front and back technique. It's a simple way of, as you see here, I started off with 3 stitches and I'm able to increase the stitches with the knit front and back technique. So if you see KFB in any pattern after this tutorial, you will too be able to increase your stitches. So it's a great way if you wanted to make a shawl, if you wanted to make that triangular pattern where you start from small and increase to bigger, you'll be able to do that with the KFB technique. Or if you just simply need to put additional stitches on your needle, you'll be able to do that as well. So all you'll need for this tutorial is your knitting needles. You can use circular, you could use straight, whichever ones you have, and your yarn. Come on back and you'll get to learn the knit front and back technique. So I have my 3 stitches casted onto my needle already. So since I'm a right-handed knitter, I'm going to go from right to left. And now we can begin on how to knit front to back. So with our yarn in the back, we're going to go in as if to knit. So normal technique there. But what we're going to do is we're not going to let go of the stitch. We're going to pull out just a tad. And then we're going to just scoop and go in through the back of the stitch and knit the back. And knit. So now you've increased from 1 stitch to 2. So let's try this again. We're going to knit the front, pull out, and go in, boom, and knit the back. Now we've increased to 4. We're going to go in, knit the front, pull out, scoop towards the back of the stitch, and knit the back. So now you've increased from the 3 stitches we started off with to now we have 6. And so on and so forth. So this is how you're going to be able to, if it says KFB in any pattern, you will now be able to increase the stitches, because that's essentially what they're asking you to do when it says KFB knit front to back. You just need to increase your stitches. So let me know how that technique works for you. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Happy knitting!